Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 7, fractions of grade 6 mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganitha Prakash. And in the previous video, we learned how to add fractions. So the same method by Brahmagupta's method, and we are going to apply that in this figure it out exercise. So we will solve the figure it out one by one by Brahmagupta's method. So first question of the figure it out exercise of adding the fractions is 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7. Okay. Now you can see here the denominator is same. So you can simply add the numerators. Right. So 2 plus 5 plus 6 is 13 upon 7, right? Now you already know that this is an improper fraction. So we divide and convert it into mix. So 7 ones are 7. The remainder is 6. So the answer is 1 whole 6 upon 7. Correct? So this is important. I am teaching you, I'm revising even the conversion of improper into mixed, right? So this is how you can divide. Then once you are have practice, you can even write directly answer here. 7 ones are 7, and you can subtract 13 minus 7. So you can write 6 over here, and 7 is the denominator. So this is first answer. Now let us see question 1b. B question is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now you can see the denominators over here. Both are co-primes. So LCM would be the product of both 4 into 3, that is 12. Why? Because 4 and 3 are co-primes. They do not have any other common factor. So directly you can find out the LCM. Now we take the first fraction, that is 3 upon 4, and we convert it into equivalent fraction to 12 with denominator 12. Now 4 3s are 12, so we multiply both by 3. So you get 9 upon 12. Then we take the second fraction, 1 upon 3. Okay. 3 4s are 12. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So you get 4 upon 12. Now you can see the denominators are same. So you can add them. 9 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12. That gives you 13 upon 12. Right? Now I told you that this is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater. So you need to convert it into mixed fraction. And this can be done directly because we are dividing 13 by 12. Okay. So we can write directly the answer. 12 ones are 12. Now 13 minus 12 is 1. So 1 upon 12. Right. If you are not able to do it directly, then you can divide it in rough and write the answer. I'll show it to you here. 12 ones are 12. And the remainder is 1. So 1 whole, your quotient should be the whole part. 1 whole, remainder is numerator, and 12 remains as it is. That you should remember. The denominator remains as it is. So this is question number 1b. Question number 3, 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6. Now if you observe here, 6 is a multiple of 3. So LCM would be 6, right? So we take 2 upon 3 and convert it into 6 as an LCM. So we multiply it by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now this is already 5 upon 6. So 4 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6, which gives you 4 plus 5 is 9 upon 6. We do not add the denominators. Now if you observe, This is not a reduced form. So first we reduce it. How can you reduce? Both are divisible by 3. So you can divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So this becomes 3 upon 2. Now still it is an improper fraction. So we divide 3 by 2 and convert it into mixed fraction. So the answer is 1.5. Right? So always the answer should be in the reduced form, and if it is improper, in the mixed form. Question number D. D is 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. Right? So again here you can see 3 and 7 are the denominators. So the LCM would be 3 into 7, their product, that is 21. Okay. Again, if you want to show method, write 3 and 7. See, you will understand yourself when you understand if they are co-primes, unnecessary the steps you are doing. 3 ones are 3. That will not be a factor of 7. So you'll have to again write 7. 7 ones are 7. So if they do not have any common factor, there is no use of doing this method. So 3 sevens are 21 is the LCM. Now take the first fraction multiplied by 7, and when they are co-primes, you just remember this butterfly method, you can say, or cross multiplication. This 7 will be multiplied with this fraction and 3 will be multiplied with the other fraction. Right? So you can see 2 upon 3 multiplied by 7 upon 7. So 2 sevens are 14 upon 21. And 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 3 upon 3. So 3 2s are 6 upon 21. So if we add these two, 14 upon 21 plus 6 upon 21. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 upon 21 is the answer. Now you can see this is already in the lowest term. It is a proper fraction and it is the lowest term. That means there is no common divisor. Right? So the answer will remain as it is. Question number 1E, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Here also if you observe, all the three denominators, they are co-primes to each other. Nothing is common in all the three. No factor is common except 1. Right? So you can simply multiply and get the LCM. So 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 will be the LCM. Right? So let us take the first fraction 3 upon 4 and we make it 60. Now I'll just show you one trick. Here they are co-primes. Now suppose you don't know 4 into what is 60. You need to multiply it with something. Right? So what you will do, the three factors are 4, 3 and 5. Okay? So if the denominator is 4, just cancel 4, hide 4 and multiply it with the remaining 2. 3 5s are 15. So 15 upon 15. So 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. Okay. Let us take the second fraction, that is 1 upon 3. Okay. So what I told you, 4, 3, 5, these are the three factors. These are the three denominators. Okay. So now 3 is the denominator, so cancel 3. Remaining are 4 5s are 20. So multiply this by 20. You will automatically get 20, this 60 LCM. Right? So 23s are 60. These are the tricks which will help you when the numbers are very big. Okay, in terms of this is still easy. You may know the table of this 15, 20. Okay, but if the numbers are big, these tricks will help you. Let us take the third fraction, that is 1 upon 5. So now 1 upon 5, what are the remaining two? 4 and 3. So 4 3s are 12. So we multiply this by 12. So you get 12 upon 60. Right? Now once you have got all the three equivalent fractions, then you can simply add them. Right? So 45 upon 60 plus 20 upon 60 plus 12 upon 60. Right? Denominator first you write as it is. Then you can add, first we can add 45 plus 20, that is 65. 65 plus 10 is 75. 75 plus 2 is 77. Now this you can see it's a mixed fraction. So you can just divide 77 by 60 and convert it into mixed. 60 ones are 60. Subtract, the remainder is 17. So the answer is 1 whole 17 upon 60. Right? Question number F, 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. Now 3 and 5 are co-primes. So the LCM would be 3 into 5, their product, that is 15. And if they are co-primes, just remember cross multiplication. So 5 will be multiplied with both the numerator and the denominator. This denominator here and this here. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 10 upon 15. And take the second fraction 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are 12, 12 upon 15. Now if you are adding 10 upon 15 plus 12 upon 15, the answer is 22 upon 15. Okay. Then you can simply divide it. I'll show you division here in rough work. You can divide. So 22 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. Remainder is 7. So the answer will be 1 whole 7 upon 15. Right? This division you can do mentally or in the rough work. Question number G. Here the denominator are 5 and 3. So the LCM would be 5 3s are 15. We take the first fraction 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3. These are all quite similar sums, so I'm going a little faster. You can stop, pause if you don't understand something. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5. Because the LCM is 15, so 5 2s are 10 upon 15. So 12 upon 15 plus 10 upon 15. So answer is 22 upon 15, which is 1 whole 7 upon 15. Right? Now we just saw the previous sum. Same answer. Right? If you remember, question number G. Right? Now what is the similarity? Why we got the same answer? So if we compare the two fractions in both the sums F and G, answer is same. Why? Because 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5, here it is 4 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. The fractions are the same. So you add them in any order, the answer remains the same. That's an important property of maths. That is the commutative property which you should know. So like if you have done F, then you need not do G, you'll get the same answer. So you can write using commutative property, you got the same answer. So adding any two fractions in any order, the answer remains the same. That's an important property which you should remember. So number H, 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 8. So if you see, both the denominators are co-primes. So 5 8s are 40 will be the LCM. We take 3 upon 5. 5 we multiply by 8, so you get 40. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 8. So 3 8s are 24 and 5 8s are 40. Right? Our target is to get the equivalent fractions. Then 5 upon 8. So 8 5s are 40. Right? You remember you can do cross multiplication on this. So 25 upon 40. 5 5s are 25 upon 40. So if we add 24 upon 40 plus 25 upon 40. So the answer is 49 upon 40. And if you convert this into mixed form, so the answer will be 1 whole 9 upon 40. Right? I'll just show you the division. How do we get this mixed form? We divide 49 by 40. So 40 ones are 40 and 9 is the remainder. So if you remember QRD, quotient remainder divisor. Okay, so the answer is 1 whole 9 upon 40. That is answer number H. Now we do question number I. That is 9 upon 2 plus 5 upon 4. So here if you observe 2 and 4, 4 is a multiple of 2, so the LCM would be 4. Right, so we take 9 upon 2, make it 4, multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4. So 9 2s are 18 upon 4. Now this is already 4. So we can simply add 18 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. So that gives you 18 plus 5 gives you 23 upon 4. And we convert it into mixed fraction. So we do rough work over here. 23 divided by 4. I told you can do mentally also. 4 5s are 20. 5 whole 3 upon 4. So this is 23. 4 5s are 20. So you subtract 20 and you get the answer. The remainder as 3. So 5 whole 3 upon 4 is answer number I. Now let us do question number J. Number J, 8 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. So both are co-primes. The denominators 3 and 7. So LCM would be 3 7s are 21. We take the first fraction 8 upon 3. Now we do cross multiplication over here. So 7 will be multiplied here, 3 here. So 7 upon 7, so 8 7s are 56. On 3 7s are 21. Now we take 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3. So 2 3s are 6 upon 21. So if we add 56 upon 21 plus 6 upon 21. So 56 plus 6 is 62 upon 21, right? Then we divide and convert it into mixed fraction. So this is 62. 21 2s are 42. Okay, if we take 3s it will be 63, so we can't take that. Remainder is 20. So here the answer is 2 whole 20 upon 21. Okay, this is your answer number J. Now if you see question number K, E and K, they are the same sums. By mistake I think they have given the same fractional numbers, so I am not doing K. Now we'll directly jump to question number L. Okay, now L, question number L and M both have 3 fractions to be added. So let us see. Method remains the same. Question number L is 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. Right, here also you can see if all the 3 are co-primes to each other, then you can directly multiply and get the LCM. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105 is the LCM. Okay, now we take the first fraction. Here you will have to convert all the 3 into 105. So I told you the trick. Remember 3, 5 and 7. So here 3 is there. So multiplied with the remaining 2. Here this trick will be helpful with numbers with LCM like 105. So you will multiply it by 5 7s are 35. So you get 70 upon 105. Okay, 35 2s are 70 and this is 105. Then you take the second fraction 4 upon 5. So now you will multiply 4 upon 5. This is 5. Remaining denominators are 3 and 7. So 3 sevens are 21. So you will multiply by 21. Right? So 21 4s is 84. And this is 105. Okay. Then the third fraction is 3 upon 7. So you multiply it with 3 5s are 15. The remaining denominators. 15 sevens are 105. We already saw that. So 15 3s are 45 upon 105. Now we add these fractions. So 70 upon 105 plus 84 upon 105 plus 45 upon 105. So the total is 105. So if we add 70 plus 80 is 150, 154 and this 45. So 199. Okay. So this is 199 upon 105. And if we divide, you will get 1 whole. 199 minus 105 will be 94. The remainder will be 94 upon 105. So 1 whole 94 upon 105 is the answer of question number 10. 9 upon 2 plus 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Last question of question number 1. Here you can see they are not co-prime. So here we will have to find out the LCM by prime factorization method. So we write the three denominators. 2 is common. So we start with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. You can take either 2 or 3. We take 2. 1 will remain as it is. 2 1s are 2. And 3 as it is. Then take 3. 3 1s are 3. So once you get 1 1 1, you get the LCM. So here the LCM would be 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. You need to multiply all these things. Okay, so LCM is 12. Now we take the fractions one by one. So first is 9 upon 2. We make it 12. The denominator 12. So we multiply it by 6. So 9 6 are 54 upon 12. Second fraction is 5 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. So we multiply it by 3. 5 3s are 15 upon 12. Then we take the third fraction 7 upon 6. 6 2s are 12. So we multiply it by 2. So 7 2s are 14 upon 12. Right? Now we add this 3 fractions. So 54 upon 12 plus, we can write the denominator together once because we are not adding the denominator, you all know that. So 54 plus 15 plus 12 upon, not 12 plus 14. So we add all the numerators and denominator remains as it is, same, right? So if we add this, 54 plus 15 is 69 and 69 plus 10 is 79. 79 plus 4 is 83. So you get 83 upon 12. Now 12 sevens is 84. So we will take 12 6 are 72. So 11 is the remainder. So the answer is 6 whole 11 upon 12. Right? This is answer number M. Question number 2. Rahim mixes 2/3 liter of yellow paint with 3/4 liter of blue paint to make green paint. Okay, what is the volume of the green paint he has made? Right? So we'll have to add the two fractions. Now that we have learned how to add the fractions, we'll solve it. So answer number 2, we can write the volume of yellow paint See, when there are word problems, you need to write statements. That is equal to 2/3 of liters and volume of blue paint. This you might have learnt in your art class also, that when yellow and blue are mixed, you get green color, right? Otherwise, you can ask your art teacher, or you can try and mix. So we add 2/3 plus 3/4. Okay, you see here the denominators are co-primes of each other, right? So the LCM would be 12, 3 4s are 12, 12. So 2/3 multiplied by 4. We do cross multiplication if they are co-primes. So 8/12, and we take 3/4. So that we multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9/12. Now we simply add the numerators, what we have learned in question number 1. Same method. Just you need to identify whether you need to add the fractions or subtract the fractions. Once you do that, then it's easy. So 8 plus 9 is 17/12, and we convert it into mixed form. So here it will be 1 whole 5/12. I told you, mental maths. 12 ones are 12, 17 minus 12, 5 you write here, and 12 will remain as it is. So what will be your answer statement? The volume of which paint we have made now? Green paint. Is 1 whole 5/12 liters. Okay, this is your answer number 2. Question number 3. Geeta bought 2/5 meters of lace, and Shamina bought 3/4 meter of same lace. Right? So to put a complete border on a tablecloth. The perimeter of the tablecloth, whose perimeter is 1 meter long, means that tablecloth's perimeter is 1 meter long. Find the total length of the lace the both have bought. And will the lace be sufficient to cover the whole border? Because we don't know whether the sum is 1 meter or more than 1 meter, right? So let us check that. So let us see answer number 3. So lace bought by Geeta is 2/5, 2/5 of meter, and lace bought by Shameen. That is equal to 3/4 meter. Okay, so we need to find out the total. Total means here we will add. So 2/5 plus 3/4, right? Now you can see 2/5, here 5 and 4 both are co-prime, so LCM is 5 4s are 20. Okay, we take the first fraction, that is 2/5 multiplied by 4. So 2 4s are 8/20. Then we take the second fraction, which is 3/4. We multiply it by 5. So 5 3s are 15/20. Right? Now they are equivalent fractions, so you can add 8/20 plus 15/20. So what do we add? We add just the numerator. Denominator remains the same. 15 plus 8 is 23/20. Now when we convert this, now looking at this answer, you will not be able to decide whether it is enough or not. We need to have We need to convert it into mixed fraction. So if you divide 23 by 20, here the remainder is 3. So you get 1 whole 3 upon 20. This 1 whole represents 1 meter. So you can understand that it is little more than 3 upon 20. Little more than 1 meter. Right? What was the question mark asked? So the total length. So total length is, you can write that the total length is 1 whole 3 upon 20 meters. And there was one more question. Always write separate statements for the two questions. Will the lace be sufficient to cover the whole border? So you can write yes, the lace is sufficient. How you decided that? Looking at the whole part. Whole part is 1, which represents 1 meter. Right? So with this, we have covered up the figure it out exercise of addition of fractions. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.